Welcome back to my channel. Your coach Magnifico is in the house. We are broadcasting from Gravity 2 Studio. Okay, today we are going to look at Modelo 4, Lección 15. El problema está aquí, cómo resolverlo y la respuesta. I told my students that I will use Spanish so they can learn Spanish and with things that they're familiar with. So let me get to this now in English. So now I'm going to show you two strategies. So you write the the fractions and then you multiply across, which is 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 4 equals 12, right? And so now you know that these two are, the answer is 6/12, but now you know that these two numbers can be divided by 3 because here's the reason why. Because 2 times 3 equals 6, and because 4 times 3 equals 12. So now our answer is here. But here's the another part. That would have been better if we cross this out and say, okay, why don't we look at what number goes evenly, the highest number, and the number is 6. So that way we don't have to do simplification twice. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So there is one way to solve this problem. Here is a second way to solve this problem. You're going to write the same numeric, the expression. Then you're going to write them in this way. You're going to say 2 times 3, which that's how we multiply it, and then 3 times 4. Now, what you do here is we're going to simplify before we enter into that. So we're going to look at two numbers, 4 and 2. And we know that the 2 can be divided by 2, so the answer is going to be 1. And the 4 can be divided by 2 as well. So if you multiply the numerator by 2, then the denominator can be divided also by 2, and the answer is 2. So now we're going to rewrite this situation that we created right here. We're going to rewrite it. So how you rewrite it? Well, it's going to be, now that 2 divided by 2 equals 1, so that's going to be 1 times 3. And the denominator is 3, which is this one right here. And now this is no longer 4. This is now a 2 times 2. Why? Well, let me show you why. This simplifies things. What is 3 times 3? 1 equals 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. And 2 times 3 equals 6. So now we can say that we can divide this by 3 again. And that's going to be 1/2. Because 6 times 3 equals 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So those are the two ways in which we can solve these problems of multiplying fractions, my friends. Please watch the video again.